Hey guys, quick video to fix the Mazda parking light malfunction. You can figure out which one it is based on just turning on your parking light and seeing which light is out. If one's out, it's a good idea to replace both. I'll post the picture of exactly which one I use for the Mazda 3. This is for the 4th generation Mazda, but this can work pretty much across most Mazdas, modern day Mazdas. First start off, turn your wheel to the right to the opposite side of the one you want to work on. You're going to need a flathead screwdriver, and make sure your car is off after you rotate the wheels. And essentially you're going to locate which one of these you guys have in your car. So on the Mazda 2022 Mazda 3, there's about 6. You're going to use a skinny, thin flathead screwdriver. I'm going to show it in just a second here to pop these guys out. Yeah, so pretty small here. I like to just wedge it in there and then turn it, and it just pops right out. So I'm gonna try and show you guys here on video, essentially me popping it out. So rotating works, but also tipping it out also works as well. And honestly, you can just grab these and just like pull them out. They're not too rigid in there. So go ahead and do all these for the 6 of them, or 5 of them. So once they're all popped off, that's the bulb right there. You're gonna pull the sleeve out from the side over here. Inside you'll see a red wire that leads essentially to the bulb, and you're gonna rotate that entire housing counterclockwise, not from the wire but from that whole housing right there. That whole chunk that goes into that part, that whole thing rotates. So here I'm gonna take it out here. Make sure you don't pull from those wires, the edge of the wires, because they are kind of flimsy. Don't do what I did here. Make sure you stabilize it before you pull it. These are the LED bulbs that I'm using for the parking lights. I'll put the link for this in the description. These were LED, they look good, so I just wanted to put them in. So I placed the LED bulb back into the housing there, and I'm putting it in back into the casing, and then I'm going to rotate righty-tighty to lock it in. But for this one, I saw once I put it in, once it clipped in, that the LED wasn't in all the way. So in a second, I'm going to take it back out, really push it in there till it's flush with the casing, and then I'm going to put it back in essentially. And this is the old LED right here. This is not LED, this is the old halogen bulb right here. And then this is the LED right here. So big difference, quite a bit brighter. So once the bulb's clipped in, you're going to want to turn the car on, turn on your parking lights, and just step to the front and see, make sure they're on. After that, just turn the car back off, put those plastic fasteners back in, make sure they're all in, and that the mud guards tucked in as well. And then you're all set.